In this video, I'll show you how to schedule YouTube Shorts on mobile. So in order to schedule YouTube Shorts, you need to have the YouTube Studio app. So go ahead and download that if you don't already have it. So in the YouTube Studio app, you want to come to the top and press on the plus symbol just to the left of the notification bell to upload a video. So that'll bring you to your gallery and you just choose your short. So from here, under visibility, the way it's set to public, to schedule it, you tap on visibility and then you'll see at the bottom below private it says schedule, and then you press on that to schedule a date. So for example, schedule it for Saturday the 21st of June, then press OK, and that'll bring up a clock to schedule it for time. So we'll pick 11:15 and then press OK. Once you've done that, you press back in the top left. That'll save it, and as you can see, it's now scheduled. So you simply press upload and that will be uploaded on the 21st when we schedule it. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.